Hey there, today, I'm here to share a crucial tip that can help you keep your computer clean and running smoothly. Uninstalling apps might seem like a simple task, but many people make a common mistake that can lead to unnecessary clutter on their systems. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the right way to uninstall apps from your PC or laptop, avoiding the pitfalls that many fall into. Step 1. Navigate to Settings. To get started, you'll want to open up the Settings menu on your Windows computer. Instead of reaching for the traditional method of right-clicking and deleting, take the smarter route. Go to your Windows search bar, type in Settings, and click on the corresponding result. Step 2. Access the Apps section. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll notice a range of options on the left side of your screen. Among these, you're looking for Apps. Click on this option to proceed. Step 3. Locate the app to uninstall. Now comes the important part, finding the app you want to bid farewell to. You'll see a list of all the apps installed on your computer. Feel free to scroll down until you find the one you're targeting. Step 4. Uninstall the app. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of going for the conventional delete and empty trash approach, hover over the app you wish to uninstall. You'll notice 3 dots next to the app's name. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 5. Say goodbye to Clutter. In the drop-down menu, you'll find the option to uninstall. Clicking on this option will initiate the proper uninstallation process. Your computer will go through the necessary steps to remove all traces of the app from your system. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you'll be able to uninstall apps from your PC or laptop the right way, ensuring your system stays clean, clutter-free, and performs at its best. Remember, it's all about avoiding common pitfalls and making informed choices to keep your tech experience smooth sailing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, leave a thumbs up, and drop a comment letting us know what you'd like the next tutorial to cover. Until next time, happy computing.